Are you having questions around celiac disease? What is it? What causes it? What are the symptoms? What foods trigger celiac disease, and which food would be appropriate, and is there any treatment? Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder that is caused by an intolerance to gluten. When people with celiac disease eat gluten, it triggers an immune response in the small intestine that damages the lining of the intestine and prevents absorption of nutrients. Celiac disease can cause a variety of symptoms, including diarrhea, abdominal pain, bloating, fatigue, and weight loss. There are a variety of foods that can trigger celiac disease symptoms. Some of the most common trigger foods include dairy products, eggs, soy, and nuts. It is important to avoid these foods if you have celiac disease. These include foods that contain gluten, as well as other foods that may irritate the digestive system. There are a big variety of gluten-free foods that are appropriate for people with celiac disease. These type of foods include fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and rice. There are also a variety of gluten-free flours that can be used in baking and cooking. There is no cure for celiac disease, but the symptoms can be managed by following a gluten-free diet. So it is really important that people who exhibit symptoms of the disease get some medical attention. Get to the root of the problem. And if the doctors found out that the disease is not celiac, then that's still good. However, leaving everything as it is will never turn out good. Thank you for watching. Are you interested in more knowledge about your health, both mentally and physically? Click the link in the description and become the best version of yourself.